In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a payment on your Bank of America credit card. Managing your credit card payments efficiently is essential to maintaining your financial health. And the good news is that Bank of America makes this process quite straightforward. Let's walk through it together. First things first, you'll need to open the Bank of America app on your device. If you haven't already downloaded it, you can easily find it in your App Store. Once it's open, log in using your username and password. Alternatively, if you find it more convenient, you can use Face ID or Touch ID for a quicker access depending on what your device supports. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on the home screen of the app. Here, you'll see a list of your accounts. Look for your credit card account and give it a tap to open the details. This will lead you to the credit card overview where you can manage various aspects of your credit card activities. Once inside your credit card account, the next thing you need to do is locate the Make a Payment or Pay Bill button. This is typically found right under your current credit card balance. Tap on this button to begin setting up your payment details. Now, it's time to choose the payment amount. Bank of America gives you a few options here, so you can choose what best suits your financial situation. You can opt to pay the minimum due, the statement balance, or another amount of your choosing. Considering your budget and the due dates of upcoming expenses can guide you in making the best choice. With the payment amount set, the next step involves selecting the payment account and date. Choose which bank account you'd like to use for making the payment. If you have multiple accounts linked, ensure you select the correct one. You will also need to decide on a payment date. You could choose to make the payment on the same day or schedule it for a future date that aligns with your financial plans. Once you have all your details squared away, it's crucial to review everything carefully. Mistakes in the payment amount or the account being used can lead to complications. So double check all the numbers and selections. When you're confident everything looks good, tap submit or confirm payment. And there you have it. After following these steps, you should see a confirmation message indicating your payment has been successfully scheduled or processed. This message is your assurance that Bank of America has acknowledged your payment instruction. By staying on top of your payments, you not only avoid potentially costly late fees, but also contribute positively to your credit history. Managing your payments through the Bank of America app is quick and dependable, ensuring you have more time to focus on the things that matter most to you. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more helpful financial tips and tutorials.